What a wonderful gentleman. Oh wow. Fumination men, let's discuss. Some of you are trying to get married out here in these streets, and I live and love. My darling Fumination, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. I would have missed this. There's just no way I would have seen this, but it was one of my beautiful Fumination brothers who sent this to me and said, Mama, will you talk about this? Take a listen.
I don't know if this only is a me problem, but I'm 34, I have no children, I'm not married, and I'll be 35 in May. And the older I get, the further away I feel I am from being a husband and a father. And not because I can't have kids, but because when I was younger, I always desired to be a husband, especially in my early 20s. I thought by 25, I'd have 2 kids, I'd have a house. Maybe I was being unrealistic, but as I get older, it's like, man, my little brother is about to have a 1-year-old in June. My baby sister is about to have, well, she actually has an 8-year-old right now. And I'm like, I'm the last one, you know, like I'm a great guy. I believe I'm attractive. Like I do well for myself. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got it together. And it's like, why hasn't it happened for me yet? And I'm like, man, maybe I'm the problem. I don't know. But I don't know if anyone feels that way, especially men. I'm a black man. I'm young still. I don't have no baby mamas, none of that. And yet I desire to be a husband. I desire to get married one day and have kids. And it's like, I just feel like I'm just getting older and I'm further away from that dream. And it's so crazy because it's something that I truly do want. But I see so many people out there who already have it. And I feel like, is it really there for me? So I thought I would ask y'all, do any of y'all feel this way? Even women, but just as much as the guys.
I love him. I love him. In 2009, I went to Canada to visit my younger brother, Yonju. You guys met him at the meet and greet last year. And we were celebrating the birth of his second daughter. Yonju is younger than me. And I went to Canada with my even younger sister, Ronke, who was also at the meet and greet. And she was pregnant and expecting her second child. I was not even dating. It was January of 2009. And my younger siblings had been married and they were having their second child. I felt a little bit lost. What was my future? I took the elder children, my brother's older daughter, and Fenty is my sister's older daughter. So I took them out to buy ice cream and play in the park while I left my sister and sister-in-law who had just had a baby and was heavily pregnant. And here I was, and I was thinking that perhaps it would not happen for me. There are parts of Ula and I's story that I cannot talk about because I have a book deal with a wonderful publishing company. And so when they approached me, they said to me, Fumi, have you shared everything with Fumi Nation? And I said, well, I haven't talked about Ula and I, in depth. And I haven't talked about my fertility journey in depth. And they said, okay, keep it for the book. So all I will say is this. Unbeknownst to me, that I would meet my husband coincidentally on the 17th of March, which was a Saturday. And so I say to my beautiful Carlton, let me just get his name here. So cute, so handsome, and so sincere. Yes, Carlton. Carlton, don't worry about your siblings, having settled down before you. And I say this also to my Fumi Nation brothers and to my Fumi Nation men. You are special. You're special. And it's going to take a wonderful and special person to come and be your equal in every way. That person has to be created for you and made especially for you, your person. She's going to be your sister, she's going to be your daughter, she's going to be your mother, she's going to be your best friend, she's going to be your ally. And it will take a little longer. Why? Because I believe that people like Carlton and my brothers out there, you have a level, you have a standard. This is not a young man who has children with various women. This is a young man who is put together, who wants to be a father, wants to be a father. He wants to be a husband, because they are two separate things. Because you can be married to a man who's a good father and not a great husband. But he wants to be a father. He also wants to be a husband. It is so very, very, very important. And I tell you this, when I met Ula, he didn't have children from other women. And I saw his family. His mom and dad had been married for over, I think, 50 years. The same as my parents. You will find her, she will find you, and you will align. Just continue in the preparation of this wonderful union that is to come. Continue to better yourself. Continue to be prayed up. Continue to be happy for others, because your time will come. When I met Ula, I was so shocked. I was so surprised. I was so speechless, because it was like a train that even I could not get off. It just went on, and I found myself on this wonderful, wonderful experience and overwhelming love and joy that I could not and still have not been able to put in words 17 years after the fact. Marry the man, the woman that is for you. Do not look at just marriage, because in essence you want somebody that is prepared to do life with you. And when you think about it that way, it occurs to you the good, the bad, the sad times, the hard times, the difficult times, the challenging times. That's the partner that you need. Ula proposed to me within a week, but I knew he was the one. I knew he was the one. I knew he was the one. This was my person. And we have gone on to have a wonderful life together. And we have a wonderful son together. And I have been the best. I am the best version of me than I ever have been. Modeling, acting, university, London, school, all of that. This has been the best version of me. And I tell you why. Because Ula and Adrian made me accountable. I have become accountable for my actions, for what I say, for what I do. I don't put myself in any danger. I am not reckless. I am very, 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 very humble. I am caring. I'm considerate. That's what family does to you when you get the right family, when you get the right partner. The opposite, it can destroy your life. It can sap up your dreams. It can rob you of any positivity. It can make you insecure. But when you marry the right person, and that will take time, it will boost your confidence. Not only will you do well, you will excel. You will excel. So my beautiful, handsome young man, Carlton, you could be my son. That beautiful girl, that wonderful woman, that wonderful mother to your children, she's been created for you. and she is coming. That wonderful woman is coming for you. She will support you. She will fight for you. She will stand in defense of you. She will stand 10 toes deep for you. She will love you. She will adore you. She will respect you. She will take care of you. All of the blessings, 100 tenfold. I promise you, she is coming. And whoever knows Carlton, and when it comes, holla at auntie, holla at mama. I don't mind coming and showing up. And I say that for my beautiful sisters. Do not ever write anybody off. Because that was kind of sort of what it was with me. Oh, Fumi, nah, I don't think she'll get married. No, I don't think so. Because Ula proposed to me at 39. I got married at 40. I ended up having 3 weddings in Norway, in Nigeria, in Los Angeles. I had 5 wedding dresses and I have 2 sets of wedding rings. I had a celebration that went on for about 6 months. And I have married my best friend. And I feel so blessed and gifted and blessed and gifted and blessed and gifted. It kept on showering on me. I wish for you the very same and more. And you will get it. Don't ever think, ever think that you are behind. Carlton, you're 34. I got proposed to at 39. I got married at 40. I had Adrian at 49. I had my first beauty campaign at 50. I had my second beauty campaign at 52. I had a collaboration at 53. I started creating my brand 54. I'm going to launch my brand this year at 56. And trust and believe you me, I will be here in my 90s and I will still be going on. And I will be living my life with my son, with my husband. Because age is really truly a number. And if you're older, you're at an advantage. Because you know better. And because you know better, you do better. You are not old. You're seasoned, baby. And you just chill. Just chillax. And wait for your blessings to come. Many of my friends that got married in their 20s, they're divorced. They are what? They're divorced. And when I see them, I wonder, are we the same? Because they've aged. Circumstances have aged them. This is not a race. This is an experience. It is a journey. Some will start ahead of us. Some will start even behind us. It gives each one space on stage to have your moment. If we all start and run at the same time, there's too much gridlock. Let them go ahead so that they can show you what to do and what not to do. You know, with younger siblings, ask them. They'll be like, oh, it did not work for my older sister. Oh, it did not work for my older brother. I know better. That's how it is. I knew what I did not want and I stuck to it. And I knew what I wanted and I stuck to it. That is how I came out with the book of rules, because it really works for you, because it protects you. And what you don't have, you're being protected from. Trust and believe me, baby. You're being protected from the girls who are not going to go the distance with you. From the ladies who do not want to do the hard work with you. You're going to find a very vibrant, energetic woman, lady, sexy, funny, adorable. Come to the Fumi Nation meet and greet. You will never see a group of more energetic, beautiful, educated, experienced, talented women like Fumi Nation. They are delicious. And we have our first Fumi Nation marriage. A young man escorted his sister to the Fumi Nation meet and greet. That's where he met his wife. Yes, baby. We out here, but we are not regular. We're not ordinary folk. And so for those that you want to level up and really have it out here, don't look at age. For women either. Because the women in their 40s these days, they really are in their 20s. They are fabulous. I celebrate you, Carlton. We salute you. I celebrate my Fumi Nation men, that I love you all so much, because you are now a man. You know what you want and you know your duties. For that I salute you. For that you make me cry, because I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of the man that you have finally become. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you. What? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.